Are you ready? A quick quiz on metals and nonmetals. Where are metals located in the periodic table? Options are A, left-hand side and in the middle, B, left-hand side and right-hand side, C, right-hand side and in the middle. Correct option is A, left-hand side and in the middle.
Where are nonmetals located in the periodic table? Options are A, right-hand side, B, left-hand side, C, in the middle. Correct option is A, right-hand side. Name some examples of metals. Options are A, oxygen, copper and calcium, B, lithium, chromium and zinc, C, carbon, neon and silver. Correct option is B, lithium, chromium and zinc. Which is a property of a metal? Options are A, good conductor of heat and electricity, B, weak and brittle, C, low melting and boiling point.
Correct option is A, good conductor of heat and electricity. Which is a property of a nonmetal? Options are A, shiny in appearance, B, malleable and ductile, C, dull in appearance.
Correct option is C, dull in appearance.